You want to study in Italy for free and get paid to do it? Now, the MAECI Scholarship 2025 is here. Fully funded, prestigious, and open to international students from over 140 countries. In this video, we will walk you through everything you need to know: the eligibilities, benefits, deadlines, and how to apply. So guys, you're welcome to Rossydiscovery, your passport to global education. Sit tight and let's dive right into the video. What is the MAECI Scholarship? The MAECI Scholarship is a full funded scholarship offered by the Italian Ministry of Foreign Affairs and International Cooperation. It is designed to support international students and Italian citizens living abroad who wish to pursue postgraduate studies in Italy, including master's degree, PhD, artistic or research programs. Who can apply for this scholarship? Unfortunately, this scholarship is not meant for the bachelor's degree. So citizens from over 141 countries, and there are accredited countries for this. Those are going for their master's degree, PhD program, course of higher education in arts, music and dance, the research program under academic supervisor, Italian language and culture advanced course. Those are people that can apply for this program. So it is very unfortunate that it is not meant for bachelor's but for masters and PhD. So that will lead us to the scholarship and program requirements. Okay, so for the requirements, you must be a foreign student living outside Italy or an Italian citizen living abroad. Okay, so you must apply versus the Study in Italy website or portal. So only citizens from eligible countries can apply for this scholarship. And for your academic qualification, for masters, you will need your bachelor degree. For PhD, you will need master's degree. For AFAM, that is the course of higher education in arts, music and dance, you will be needing your specific course requirements. That is language course requirement. Okay. So for language proficiency, if you take a course that is being taught in Italian, you need to have B2 in Italian. Taught course in English, you need B2 in English. Then PhD and research program, don't need language proof. Okay, so enrollment status: you must be fully enrolled in an eligible Italian institution, no part-time or overdue courses. So take your time and go through the requirements. Now let's talk about the scholarship benefits. For this scholarship, you'll be having 900 euro monthly stipend, tuition free, health insurance covered. Scholarship lasts for 6 to 9 months and it is renewable based on the academic performance. That means your academic performance has to be top notch in the next 9 months for you to renew or keep the scholarship. So guys, let's get our document ready. I know this information is coming at the dying minutes, but we can still do something. Okay, so now let's talk about the age requirements. Applicants should be 28 years or less for master's degree or higher education in arts, music and dance, or the Italian language, culture and advanced course. And applicants for PhD should have attained the age of majority. That should be 30 years of age. Then 40 years for applicants for research projects under academic supervisor. So guys, I believe we understand this better. Okay, so if you fall into this category, then go ahead to apply. Now let's talk about where you can study. Now this scholarship is not just limited to a particular school or a particular university. It is you can actually apply to any public university in Italy or accredited institution in Italy. Okay, so now let's talk about application process. Now for you to apply, you have to go to the website of Study in Italy portal to register. When you are done registering, you log in, then you start your registration. Okay, so you have to upload your documents: passport, academic certificate, proof of language skill, a CV, and your motivational letter. These are what you need for applying. And please take note, you don't need to be admitted to university yet, but you must enroll to receive the scholarship. Okay, I think that is more cleared. It's just a straightforward thing. So now let's talk about the application deadline. Like I said, the deadline for this application is May 16. That is very, very close. I'm sorry I couldn't pass this across quickly because I didn't get to know about it. I just came across it and I was like, let me just send it. Anyone can still try to apply. So yeah, so try and apply before this deadline. So guys, if you've watched to this stage, you are the real fans. Thank you for staying by, and please take your time to do your research, arrange your documents as soon as possible, and apply to this school. These schools are open and will be closing May 16. And don't worry, I will be dropping all links that is related to the scholarship in the description box below. And please don't forget that this deadline is May 16, 2025. Okay, don't miss it. If you want to study in Italy on a fully funded scholarship, then why not? This opportunities for you to explore Italy. Okay, so like this video if you find this helpful. Subscribe for more scholarship updates from Rossydiscovery. Thank you guys for watching.